evening. My name is DIVA and I study in class 7th in Delhi Public School, Noida. Today I am making this video to participate in the Pi Hackathon which is being conducted by the TinkerCoders. For this competition, I have made a very interesting project which is making the TinkerCoders logo. This was very important for me as I have been learning coding since the past 2 years from TinkerCoders. I really love coding, exploring new things and learning new techniques to be skilled at it. By making this activity, I learned a lot of new things as this activity needed a lot of precision. I personally thought that making the TinkerCoders logo would be a great idea as it had been a very important part in my coding journey. Making this activity was a wonderful experience as I learned so many new things and now I have a lot of confidence in coding. Now I will be showing all of you my very wonderful activity. I hope you all like it. As you all can see, this is my Python page where I learned basic Python, graphic design and many other things I will be learning in the future. These are my projects and as you all can see, I have made a lot of projects. Let's go to the TinkerCoders logo. I'm very excited to show this. So this is the TinkerCoders logo, and first let's see the output and then I will also be explaining a bit about the code. So let's not waste any more time and see it. Complete logo of TinkerCoders. As you all can see, this needed a lot of precision. I personally like this logo very much as it is depicting a brain-like structure with the initials of TinkerCoders written on it. It also has like a light bulb here which was like a bit, this part was like the most difficult to make. Now I will be explaining the code a little bit. As you all can see, first to speed up this process a bit, I set the speed to 200 for these kind of structures so we don't waste any time. I have learned how to set the position, how to make all these structures by using motion attributes, how to use the color attribute, the dot of radius which is used for making the circle, pen up, pen down which is used to move the turtle's pen. And it was a very long code and also it was taking a lot of time to make. But I think it was still worth it. I've used the repeat 90 times because it was bulb. Thank you so much for watching this video and spending